Well, guess what? Bad case of luck. As there was a song. There is no water. Oh, I'm talking bullshit. There is no food here because of the heavy rains that have been raining for many days in a row. So I'm gonna go down to Hubavets. I believe I saw a deer footprints, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so in a way, I'm sad. There was no delicious food at Balkanski rozi, Balkan roses. Lady said for many weeks in a row it was raining, people were cancelling the reservations, and I don't see the point of cooking. Alrighty, okay, makes sense. Now on a second thought, this lady lives here in the hut, so I guess she has some supplies of food, of course. If you get me right. So I mean, she could easily make me a salad or an omelette or something, but anyway. I'm kind of sad because the hut owners lately in Bulgaria, they're not, some of them, or maybe more than half of them, I don't know, most of them, are not mountaineers anymore. They don't ask you where you're coming from, which trail did you take, which peak did you go to. They don't ask you where are you headed tomorrow. You know, they're like more of a restaurant, hotel owners. Now the guy at Peak Botev was very friendly. Nikolai, he was super friendly, because we were just a few people, so we talked a lot. And Vasil at Hăteho was super cool too. He invited me in the kitchen to have dinner with him, so he's super nice too. So this river is named Голямата reka, which translated means the big river. No wonder why. Here lies Baba Metsa Stravnitsa, 1952. Baba Metsa Stravnitsa means brown bear. Baba Metsa means grandmother bear. That's from the child tales, you know. The hero. Wow. So Baba Metsa Stravnitsa is either a person, okay, could be a nickname, but if it's literally what it is, it's a brown bear that got berserk. What is the correct term? I mean, it started to attack people and to eat people's flesh, so you gotta kill it. This happens very rarely, but there are stories of bears attacking people in Bulgaria. Even last summer, people were having a walk near the town of Belica in Rila mountain. There are a lot of bears over there. There is actually a what is it, attraction, zoo, whatever, shelter for bears in the city that, you know, saved bears from different cases, like circus workers or local minority tribes that use them to make shows on the street as buskers. So yeah, bears attack people sometimes, and as we saw, shepherd dogs attack people too. Now the lady, the hut owner at hut Balkanski rozi, was much more reasonable than the hut owner, the man at Vasilevsky. She was like, yeah man, that's awful. They're obliged to have a shepherd with the cows and the dogs, so this could not happen. But you know, in Bulgaria stuff happens like this. We saw people driving cars in the national park for the fun of it. I've heard that somebody killed a few deers last week. So here, in a way, nobody cares. Everybody does whatever they want. So you get the money from the European funds. That's the case with the cows. You get the money, you buy the cows, and you leave them out there. And you don't care about them until the date for the inspection comes. When there is an inspection, you gather all the cows. They come, they check them, yeah, they're alive, they're in good shape, okay, good to go. Next month or 2 months after, we're gonna do another inspection. And the shepherds just set them free, you know, cows. And that's what the lady at hut Balkanski rozi said. Cows should not be on the tourist path. They should be somewhere else, so we don't interfere with the shepherd dogs, right? But because they're set free, you know, cows have no conception of a tourist mark and whatever. Even worse, when they see people, they start to think of assault that they might get from the people. So they go to the tourist path, and that's what happens. Once again, if you are gonna do this, just get a flask of pepper spray and keep it in, like, in your outer pocket of the backpack. Whoop, less than a second. So I'm again literally a few hundred meters before the next hut, Hubavets, and let's see if they can provide me with some soup. I would love to have a chicken soup. If not, I'll just speed up down to Karlovo and take the train home. I'll grab something in Karlovo from one of those little kiosks with the barbecue meat, you know, bread and meat, and that's it on the go. So, but let's keep fingers crossed that here at Hut Hubavets they can provide me with a soup. I'll take 5-10 minutes break, but I'm not sure. The mountain is empty, so from let's check the stats. From shelter Botev it's 15 kilometers and a half. I did it for 3 hours and 40 minutes. Down climbed like 1,500 meters and climbed 350. Yeah, that's the hut. Let's see. There is a new hut owner who is a colleague of mine, mountain guide. I don't know him, or maybe I know him, but I don't know that he is now running the hut. So let's check it out. There are some people.